Hello everyone, Ivan Collins here with another amazing system from Innoface Systems. We're here at this prestigious law firm. We have a divisible conference room that can be used for video presentations, video teleconferencing systems. You can have Zoom calls, Teams calls, GoToMeeting, whatever you want here in this awesome conference room. We have displays in each one of the rooms. Oh yeah, by the way, this is a divisible room, so it can be used as 3 separate rooms, or it can be used as one large conference room for all hands-on staff meetings. There's a display in each one of the rooms, cameras in each one of the rooms. Each system has integrated microphones in the ceiling. We have integrated speakers in the ceiling. We also have control from a wireless/wired control panel. So if you want to control the system, you just come and press a button and it all happens with ease. Whenever you're dealing with an Innoface system, you're dealing with simplicity. We try to make it as easy as possible for our customers to come in, set up a meeting, get the ball rolling. Come on, let me show you the middle room. So this is the middle room. In this room, we have a display on one side of the room that can be connected via cart. We also have a display on the other side of the room that is permanently installed on the wall. So there's really not a bad seat in the whole entire room. Again, this room has integrated microphones in the ceiling. We have integrated speakers, and of course we have automation control to be able to control the room with ease. This is the final room in the system, in this 3-room divisible system. Again, like I said, you can open up the dividers and have one large conference room, or we can have 3 separate conference rooms that have 3 separate meetings totally independent of the other. Again, this room is equipped with a large display that can be viewed by virtually any end user in the room. We have video teleconferencing in this room as well, integrated ceiling microphones, integrated speakers, and at the end of the day, folks, like we do with all of our systems, it just works. It's easy to use, it works, everything is stored properly in this equipment rack over here. Proper ventilation, everything is neatly wired, very clean rack to be used. Basically, it's very serviceable, easy to access, very nice solution from Innoface Systems. Again, give us a call if you have a need for any audiovisual system. We can provide the design, the installation, as well as source the equipment. Give us a shout, 877-721-4040, Innoface Systems. I'm out.